Hi, kindergarten friends. This week I came to your classroom on Tuesday morning and we read a story called You Can Read. This story has some rhyming words, so we talked about words that have the same ending sound and we did a little rhyming. And we also noticed something that this book has on many of its pages. Do you see here on the front cover that this character is wearing a hat? Well, on many of the pages in this book, you will spy different kinds of hats. So pay attention as I read the story to you and see how many you can find. Okay, this story is called You Can Read by Helene Becker and Mark Hoffman. Here's our title page. Look at that nice green book with a little red bookmark sticking out. You can read in the classroom. You can read in the park. You can read on a mission. Undercover in the dark. You can read in the desert. You can read under the sea. You can read in the bathroom when you need some privacy. You can read in a spaceship, though you'll miss an awesome view. But if your rockets conk out, you will know just what to do. You can read in the kitchen when you make a fricassee. You can read at the opera, the ballet, and symphony. You can read at the table, though it's sometimes rude to do. You can read walking down the street, though you might step in. Ew. You can read when you're camping by flickering firelight. But choose your subject wisely if you want to sleep at night. You can read in Tuktoyaktuk or in the south of France. You can read in your party clothes or in your underpants. When you know C-A-T spells cat and A-I-R spells air, you'll also know that reading is great for doing everywhere. The end. I hope you like this story called You Can Read, and I hope that all of you are working very hard in kindergarten to learn to read. I will see you next week on Tuesday morning in your Google Classroom for another library session, and we'll read something new together. Bye, friends.